Hi there, and a blessed good morning to you. Well, this morning here featured is the plant that is called golden pothos. It has heart-shaped leaves, and based upon the research I did, they say that this plant is good for purifying the air, and it is also good for removing toxins. So once again, the name of the plant is golden pothos, and it's a very beautiful plant, really lovely, nurturing. It doesn't need to be watered every day, just about 7 to 10 days. So yes, do enjoy, stay blessed, like and subscribe. Thank you.